Hi darlings, my name is Prag. In this video, we are going to discuss about life cycle of Penicillium. This Penicillium is commonly known as the green mold or blue mold. This genus Penicillium includes 136 species and distributed all over the world. It is present in soil, air and decaying fruits, vegetables, etc. This Penicillium is the saprophytic fungus. Saprophytic means the animals which feeds on dead and decaying matters for their nutrients. Sir Alexander Fleming discovered the penicillin at St. Mary's Hospital in London in 1929. Structure of the penicillium. The vegetative body is the mycelial. Mycelial means all the fungus contains is long thread-like structure known as the hyphae. This group of hyphae is known as the mycelium. This is the mycelium and this is the vegetative mycelium of the penicillium. On this mycelium, the conidiophores, conidia are grown. We will discuss it later. This mycelium is branched with septate. This mycelium is branched with septate hyphae. Septate hyphae means there is a divider between the cells, and it is composed of the thin-walled cells containing one to many nuclei in them, and each septum has a central pore. Between this septum has a central pore, and through this the cytoplasmic connections takes place between the two cells. And the reserve food material of penicillium is stored in the form of oil globose. Now the reproduction. The reproduction in case of penicillium is seen by three types. One is vegetative reproduction and asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction means when this vegetative reproduction takes place by accidental breakdown of the vegetative mycelium. This vegetative mycelium breaks, it forms two or many fragments, and then each fragment grows into a new mother mycelium, and from this mycelium the new penicillium is grown. This breaking of mycelium and these fragments growing into a new mycelium, and this process is known as vegetative reproduction. Asexual reproduction of penicillium. This asexual reproduction takes place by the conidia. This conidia is the unicellular and uninucleated, and uninucleated means single nucleus is present, unicellular means single nucleus is present, and non-motile spore. Non-motile means the flagella is absent for this conidia, and this conidia is oval or globose structure, and the color of the conidia varies. It may be green, blue, yellow. Due to this color, these are also known as the green molds or blue molds, etc. Any cell of the vegetative mycelium gives rise to an erect branch known as the conidiophore. This conidiophore may be branched or unbranched. The branch of the conidiophore is known as the ramus, plural rami, which this ramus becomes further branch known as the medullae. A number of flask-shaped sterigmata develops at the tip of each medullae. The thing which is written in red color is the ramus, and the branches, this ramus gives another branches. These are known as medullae. The thing which is written in blue color. This from the medullae, at the tip of the medullae, a number of flask-shaped branches are developed, which are known as the sterigmata. The thing which is written in black color is the sterigmata. From this sterigmata, the conidiums or conidia is formed. The tip of the sterigmata swells up here. The tip of the sterigmata swells up and it undergoes mitotic division to form two nuclei, of which one nuclei is pushed towards the swollen region, and by the partition wall this swollen region is removed from the mother, and new uninucleated conidium is formed. The tip of the sterigmata cells swells up again. Following the same procedure, the second conidium is formed, and which pushes the postconidium towards the outer side. This second conidium pushes the postconidium towards the outer side or away from the sterigmata. This process repeats several times, forming a chain of the conidia. In this chain of conidia, the post-formed conidia is present away from the sterigmata or away from the mother, and later formed is present towards the sterigmata, and this type of arrangement is known as the basipetal arrangement. Basipetal means the older ones is present away from the or older ones are the post formed is present away from the mother cell, and newly formed or second formed is present towards the sterigmata or the mother ones. By this process, a chain of conidia is developed. This conidia four is arranged basically. Therefore, the younger ones near the mother and older ones away from the mother. Older ones means the post-formed conidia is away from the mother. These conidia are non-motile spores because the flagella is absent, and this conidia is oval or globose in structure, and the color also varies. It may be green, blue, etc. At maturity, these conidia get detached from the mother and are dispersed by wind. On a suitable substratum, they germinate by developing a germ tube. This conidia on a suitable substratum develop by germinating a germ tube. The nucleus undergoes repeated mitotic division, and all the nuclei enter into this nuclei undergo repeated mitotic division, and all the nuclei will enter into the germ tube. The septa formation continues along with the elongation of the germ tube. By this, the new septate branched mycelium is developed. This is the asexual reproduction in Penicillium.